top 10 is inspired by an article from Africgist which read, "Congratulations to famous Tanzanian singer Diamond Platnumz. On Wednesday, June 10, 2020, Diamond Platnumz became the first artist in sub-Saharan Africa to gather over 1 billion views on his YouTube channel."
Love and family is what we initiate. If you hating, then it depreciates. Why they keep on trying to differentiate? And this hate is what I wish we hate. One love, one game.
Hi guys, and welcome to another edition of Chakara TV Top 10. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification button. Before we get to the top 10 viewed African artists, let's just put this out there. Views on YouTube for a monetized video equates to money. Also, views on YouTube is a widely used measurement of an artist's reach. Mindful of the fact that people view videos for various reasons, some for the song, others for the video quality. I know for songs I really love, about 100 of their views come from me. So despite the fact that a single person could watch a single video multiple times, we can also agree that it takes great content to make that happen. This is why the artists who made our list deserve some accolades. Before I get to the list of most viewed African artists, spoiler, majority of the names on our list come from Nigeria. Two possible reasons for this: the Nigerian population and the quality of the content, because not only Nigerians give these views. Now that said, let's get to the list. The 10th position goes to Yemi Alade, Nigerian musician with 439 million views and 1.3 million subscribers, an account created in 2012. Next on the list is Sinach. Her YouTube channel has 476 million views. This Nigerian gospel artist created her YouTube channel in 2013. This YouTube channel with 1.28 million subscribers has songs with 72 million views, 47 million views, 152 million views. On the 8th position, we have Wizkid with a YouTube channel called Celebs TV. This channel has 1.22 million subscribers with 486 million views. A channel created in 2014, containing videos like Fever with 55 million views and Joe with 44 million views. On the 7th position, we have Burna Boy with a channel which was created in 2018 and so far has 520 million views and a 1.17 million subscribers, with songs like On the Low with 132 million views and Ye with 89 million views. The next most viewed African artist is a Nigerian musician who is behind hits like Duru and Pana, hits which have 73 million and 128 million views respectively. I'm talking about Techno Mills, who has a YouTube channel with 1.39 million subscribers and 579 million views. On the 5th position, we have another Nigerian artist, Flavor. His YouTube channel, created in 2011, had lots of collaborations. My favorite collaboration is his collaboration with Tiwa Savage, channel with more than 240 videos, several with views in their millions, which all sum up to a 624 million views. Next on our list is Congolese artist Fally Ipupa with 626 million views on his YouTube channel, created in 2007 and has over 1.61 million subscribers. This is a channel with hits like Mannequin featuring K Black and Lazar and Elo Koyo videos with 35 million and 65 million views respectively. On the 3rd position, we have Nigerian musician Davido, who has over 1.75 million subscribers on his YouTube channel, created in 2018. He has 626 million views on this channel. The 2nd position goes to Nigerian duo P Square, the duo which was made up of twin brothers Peter and Paul Okoye, who have since gone on to have solo careers as Mr. P and Rude Boy respectively. As a duo, their videos were uploaded on their official YouTube channel called Official P Square. This YouTube channel, created in 2011, contains collabos like Collabo featuring Don Jazzy and Beautiful Oniye featuring Rick Ross, videos with 78 million and 34 million views respectively. As mentioned, at the top of our list, we have Tanzanian musician Diamond Platnumz, who recently got 1 billion views on YouTube, and as of the making of this video, he has, drum roll please, 1,018,000,000 views, 618,520 views. This milestone was celebrated with a cake with the words written 1 billion views, congrats Simba, WCB for life written on it. Of course, you can find the celebration video on his YouTube channel, a channel created in 2011 and has been the home of numerous hits over the years. Hits like Inama featuring Fally Ipupa and Nana featuring Mr. Flavor, videos having 62 million and 63 million views respectively. Congrats and all the best to the African artists who made our list and African artists who didn't make our list but keep the great content coming, giving us something to watch, making us fall in love with our continent daily. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification button. It's been Eta on Chakara TV. We are craziness with a strategy.